Hey guys, what's up? You're watching iGyan. Today we're going to be reviewing the new Beats Solo Pro. So let's quickly get started. Now the Solo line of headphones are usually the entry line for Beats by Dre, but by adding Pro at the end of the name, they slot in between the Solo and the Studio headphones. Now aesthetically, they are quite different from what we've seen with Solo headphones in the past. Right off the bat, you have three new matte collection colors that Beats likes to call the More Matte Collection. This includes the blue that we have over here. It's the dark blue. It also comes in a matte red and a matte light blue, apart from the traditional ivory, black and grey colors, which also have golden accents. The exterior design is quite minimal and the headband extensions are also hidden behind this cover. You can clearly see the left and right markings on the inside of the headband, and the memory foam used on the headband as well as the ear cups is absolutely brilliant, one of the softest and the most comfortable that you can get. The Solo headphones have typically been known to sort of pinch in on your head, but these are rather comfortable to wear for longer periods of time, and the memory foam sort of fits really well around the ear. The ear cups on the Beats Solo Pro are attached using a flexible membrane to the headband. This makes them easy to move around and sort of fit on your ear and sit comfortably on your ear. Another thing to mention is that there is a single button on the left ear cup on the bottom. This is to reinitiate the pairing process. So if you want to move from one device to the other, you can do that by pressing and holding onto this button. On the right ear cup, you do have the lightning connector along with a LED light which indicates the status of the headphones. And also on the right ear cup on the right side where the Beats logo is, you can press up to increase the volume and press down to decrease the volume. If you press the Beats logo on the right ear cup or the center button, that acts as a multifunction button, so you can play, pause your music or accept audio calls via that button. The headphones also have built-in microphones for voice calls, also with active noise cancellation enabled. Another feature that allows you to share your music, so if you have AirPods or any other Beats headphones, you can use the share music feature to share the same song with another pair of headphones. That works thanks to Bluetooth 5.0. So whether you decide to use the Beats Solo Pro for shorter run times or longer usage, you'll have no problem with the fit and the comfort on the Solo Pro, which was not the case with the original Beats Solo headphones. Now, after Apple's acquisition of Beats by Dre, there are some specific features that are inbuilt into the Beats Solo Pro. The first feature is when you unfold the headphones, they sort of power up on their own. So there is no real power switch as such. If you fold the headphones, they go into standby mode, and the minute you unfold the headphones, they are powered up and ready to go. Another thing Apple has incorporated is their H1 pairing chip. So once you bring the headphones close to an iOS device, it'll automatically detect and pair with it. So if you do pair it with your phone, it'll give you the name of the device on the phone itself. You also get the battery information right there in the pairing window, and of course if you go into the volume settings, you'll be able to control whether you want noise cancellation turned on, off, or do you want transparency mode. All of these are very Apple centric features. They work on iOS devices, but that doesn't mean that you can't use these headphones with Android devices. They pair up nicely with any Android phone, and you still continue to get all the features on Android devices as well. Now the Beats Solo Pro do come with a USB-A to Lightning connector inside the box, so they are more targeted towards iPhone users, and you can quickly charge up these headphones as well using the Lightning cable. They charge up for 10 minutes to give you upwards of 3 hours of usage time. So they do have that quick charge capability built in that we haven't seen on any other Beats headphones till now. For battery life, Beats promises up to 22 hours with noise cancellation turned on and up to 40 hours with noise cancellation and transparency mode turned off. Now with our usage, we found that anywhere from 20 to 22 hours of battery life is what you can get with noise cancellation turned on, and so the estimates from Beats are pretty much on point. Also included in the box for the headphones is a carry case. Now this is a really nice soft touch felt lined carry case by Beats. It is lined on the inside with waterproof materials, and the zipper is also double covered. That means that this is a well protected case and it will keep your headphones secure for a long period of time. Also included is a carabiner hook, so if you want to attach these to your belt loops or to your handbag or backpack, you can easily do that with the carabiner hook. Now let's talk about music quality. As with any other typical pair of Beats headphones, the bass levels are quite enhanced. So you do get bassy sounds with your music, a good enhancement of lower end. You also have really good mids and highs, but the bass is definitely accentuated, and Beats users typically like that kind of audio, and the Beats Solo Pro do not disappoint in that end. You can also turn noise cancellation off, so all you get is the standard isolation from the memory foam ear cups, which is also in itself a really good isolation. You can also turn on transparency mode, which actually captures outside audio and feeds it in through the headphones, which can be helpful, especially if you're outdoors or running outdoors. You would want to hear sounds from around you, so that comes in handy for that usage. The Solo Pro also don't disappoint when it comes to volume levels or overall loudness. They're impressive when it comes to audio deliverance, and you will get your typical sound signature from the Beats headphones. Overall, I am really impressed with the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. If you do use an iOS device, they will pair up easily with iOS devices and offer all these extended features. Battery life is good. It could have been better with many other headphones offering up to 30 hours of usage time, but if you don't want the noise cancellation, you can get up to 40 hours according to Beats, and that in itself is an impressive battery life. I also like the quick charge features using the lightning cable. Again, if you're using an iOS device, you have lots of those at hand, and you can use the same cable for your phone as well as for your headphones. If you are an Android user, you can easily buy them and use them with Android devices as well, so no problem there as well. Overall, they're an impressive pair of headphones that you can get. They are available in India. They are extremely pricey at 24,500 rupees, with lots of other options available from brands like Sony and Audio Technica. Would you go for a pair of Beats Solo Pro? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.